elbow plank. Come to your forearms, one at a time. The fingers can be interlaced or the hands can be flat on the floor. When the hands are flat on the floor, there may be a little bit of external rotation in the shoulders. If that's not comfortable for you, just interlace the fingers and that's fine. Abs tight, strong muscular belt, strong line from the crown of the head through to the heels. Push your forearms into the floor. Feel the shoulder blades hugging the spine. Keep your chest reaching forward. All the muscles along the spine engaged. Do not drop the hips. Do not push your elbows into the floor so that the shoulders follow. You do not want that excessive rounding in the upper back. Bring the chest forward. Engage your lats by trying to slide your elbows back a little bit. Keep your legs very strong as well. Abs pulling in, especially the lower abdomen. Keep the head and neck in line with the spine. Stay for a few deep breaths, and then when you're ready, rest.